Good morning, everybody. So, today I'm going to talk about the economic element in a pestle analysis. So, first thing first, what is Pestel? Pestel is basically an acronym representing six factors that affect an organization global environment. We have the political condition, the economic condition, the social-cultural condition, the technological condition, and the environmental condition. For the economic condition, it's basically the economic condition of a country or province that affect the organization. For example, the interest rate, the inflation, the disposable income, the stock market's fluctuation, business cycle. And it does not have a large impact on an organization because it's the general environment of an organization, not the specific one. Thank you guys for listening to the TikTok.